In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize sales forms in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your sales forms is a great way to make your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts look professional and consistent with your brand. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, we need to access your form styles. In the top right corner of QuickBooks Online, click the Settings icon. Under the section labeled Your Company, select Custom Form Styles. This is your main hub for creating, editing, and managing the different designs you use for your sales forms. Next, let's create a new style. At the top, click the New Style drop-down. From here, choose the type of form you want to customize, such as invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. As soon as you pick one, a new window will open with a live preview of your form on the right and your customization tools on the left. You'll be able to see most changes update in real time as you make them. Now, let's focus on the design. Make sure you're on the Design tab. This is where you control the overall look and feel. To add a logo, click Add Your Logo and upload your company logo from your computer. Try to use a clear, high-quality image so it doesn't look blurry when printed or emailed. Next, adjust your colors. You can select a preset color scheme or pick your own colors to match your branding. Then, choose your fonts. You can use different fonts or font sizes for headings, details, and totals to make your form easier to read. Finally, if you want a different layout altogether, select a different template from the list. Each template slightly changes how your logo, company details, and line items are arranged. After the design, move over to the Content tab. This is where you decide what information appears on your form. Click the pencil icon in the header or footer area to edit things like your website, phone number, or business address. Then click the pencil in the middle section to customize your columns. Here you can add or remove columns, change their labels, and decide what shows up on the customer's copy. If you need extra fields beyond the standard ones, you can create custom fields. To do that, go back to the main Settings menu and choose Custom Fields. Set up any fields you need there, and then you'll be able to add them to your forms. Next, click the Emails tab. This controls the email your customer receives with the form attached. You can modify the subject line and the body of the message so it sounds more like your business. You also have the option to include full invoice details in the email body instead of just a summary, which can be helpful if your customers like to see everything at a glance. Once you're happy with your layout, content, and email settings, it's time to save your work. Click Done to save the new style so you can start using it on your sales forms. If you decide you don't want to keep the changes you've made, click the X in the top corner of the window, then choose Exit without saving. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize sales forms in QuickBooks Online, from design and content to email messages, so your forms can better reflect your brand and provide clear, useful information to your customers.